So today I'm going to show how to get a Coursera certificate without paying money. So usually a lot of us using this Coursera platform to educate ourselves, but the issue is we can use this material to study only. We can't get a certificate without paying the money. So today we can see how to get a certificate without paying money. So first, you can see in the left side the filter options. You can choose what the subject you want and what the skills you need, and the level beginner, intermediate, advanced, or mixed, and the duration. What the duration you need. Like if you have lot of time, you can choose a month long courses, or otherwise you can choose 2 hours or less than 2 hours, or 1 to 4 weeks courses. And you can choose the language you want to learn. And the educator means you can choose universities or companies, or like IBM, Michigan University, like that. So just click here and search machine learning, for example. And the courses related to machine learning will appear here. So here there are some companies and IBM, and here University of Washington. Like, so I will click this University of Washington. And here, as I said previously, you can enroll for free, but you can't able to get the certificate with a free enrollment. So you need to get a financial aid here. So here there is an option called financial aid available. So just click it. And the tab, new tab will open here. So here they have 4 kind of courses with this module. So first one is machine learning foundations, case study approach, and next one machine learning regression, machine learning classification, machine learning clustering and retrieval. So just you can you can apply for only one course at a time. So just you can choose. I will choose this course one and click the next button. So it will show what the course you selected, and just continue to the application. Here, it will ask some questions like education. So what the education you have, like college degree, and annual income, you should give it as 0. And here you should give your country currency, and the employment status should be student. In this section, reason you applied for aid. So what's the reason you applied? So you should describe accurately at 150 words. So here uh, I typed all the relevant details about me, and what's the reason for this uh, course I need. And you click the I have reviewed my information and everything is up to date, and click the next button. So in the step 2, you can see this kind of interface, and here they will ask how much can you pay for the selected course. So if you can able to pay, then you can pay. But for a free course, you can select this as 0, and you may give the reasons up to 150 words. How will you select course help with your course? So here you may give your reasons after you learn this course. How can you achieve your selected target? So I will give my reason. So here I gave my reasons why I need these courses. And after that one, click these terms and conditions, and they may ask, please type the following sentence, but you can just select this sentence and copy and paste, and click here, I am not a robot. So remember, here you should give the this machine learning here, and you should give the reasons why you need this course, and what's the target output after learning this one. So for other courses, you may follow the same steps to apply the financial aid, and you can copy these things and save in a notepad, or you can generate this paragraph from ChatGPT or other AI generated texts, and you can click this review button, and here 1 by 10 applications they show. That means you can apply for 10 applications for a review. After the 10 applications reviewed, you may apply for another 10. So then you can click the submit application, and they will accept your application. So click here, review my financial aid, and here it will show processing. So after that one, here like this, you may get the approve button like green color, and here they will show how much you get the offer. Like a full offer means 79 USD, and they will show the application date and their deadline also, and you can learn whatever you want and get your certificates and share with others. Thank you.